Dreaming of smooth gameplay on a shoestring budget? Let's make it happen. Here's how to put together the best €200 gaming PC, step by step. First, grab a refurbished office PC, think Dell Optiplex or Lenovo ThinkCentre. These are cheap, reliable, and perfect for upgrades. Next, swap in a used quad-core CPU like an Intel i5 4570. Solid performance without breaking the bank. For graphics, hunt for a used GTX 1050 Ti or RX 560. These can handle esports titles and even some AAA games on low. Now boost your RAM to 8GB, trust me, it makes a difference. And don't forget an SSD, even a 240GB drive speeds up load times big time. Added up refurbished PC, GPU, some extra RAM, and an SSD, that's your €200 build. It won't crush 4K, but for Fortnite, CSGO, and Minecraft, you'll be smooth sailing on a budget. Like this build? Hit subscribe for more wallet-friendly gaming tips.